Okay, Winnie, thank you very much for visiting us and welcome to Grenoble.
Thank you.
You are a professor at the University of Strathclyde, Glasgow, and your field of expertise is, may I say, every engineering issue related to remanufacturing in companies.
Yes.
It's a good summary, I think. And maybe first question, could you explain to us what are remanufactured products?
Well, remanufacturing is where you take a used product and you bring it into a factory environment and rework it until it's at least of the same specification and quality as a new product originally, or at least of the same quality as one that's rolled off the production line. Now, the implication of this is that we can take a product that's been discarded and add new technology to it, so it's the same quality as one that's just been made, saving for the manufacturer penalties from waste, cost of production because of limitation of raw material in manufacture, and also energy in production, and also allowing them to actually meet environmental legislation. So it's really a way of improving profitability or opening up avenues of new businesses for conventional manufacturers.
Oh, that's good. And it's said that there are lots of manufacturers now that are remanufacturers. And the main example maybe is jet engines. Could you say more about that?
That's right. One of the key remanufacturers is, believe it or not, Rolls-Royce. Normally when you talk about remanufacture, people think old products. But Rolls-Royce remanufactures certain components in its jet engines. In fact, one of the greatest members of the remanufacturing industry is the MOD, both in Britain and in the US. So we're talking about DML, Babcock's, Rolls-Royce, etc.
Yeah. Where is it very profitable for them, remanufacturing? Do they improve the life of the product? Do they catch more money because the remanufacturing process is less expensive than the maintenance process?
Both. Basically, remanufacture would allow the organization to enhance its bottom line because it's spending a lot less money on manufacturing its products. It also limits the amount of waste that the organization throws out, and therefore limits the amount of impact that waste legislation has on them. And it allows them to basically improve their marketing by being able to brand themselves as an environmentally friendly organization, whilst at the same time producing high quality products. So really we're talking about an organization producing high quality products at much, much lower costs, and therefore being able to lower the price of its products for the purchaser.
Okay, but other examples that are set currently are one-shot or one-use cameras. It's not very expensive product. It's not the same case as a jet engine. Could you explain that?
It isn't the same case, but it does allow you to extend the life of these sort of products. The remanufacturing process in such instances is a lot more simpler because there are fewer components.
Yeah.
So, for example, in the case of things like single-use cameras, you're just changing the fascia, and having remanufactured, maybe it can stay in the host developed country for maybe one more life. Then it can be sold on to a poorer market, like say Asia or Africa. So really remanufacture is both applicable while you're talking about very expensive long life products such as jet engine combustors, gearboxes in automotive products, as well as very fast moving products with very, very fast design cycles, such as single-use cameras, etc. And mobile phones.
Mobile phones as well, yeah, sure. And what about customers? Do they accept remanufactured product actually?
That depends really on the amount of knowledge about the product they are buying and also on the characteristics of the product. For example, if you were to explain what remanufacture actually means to a customer, they're quite willing to buy it. But if they don't understand what remanufacture means, they think it's used product and therefore it's lower quality. And this is where it's important that remanufactured products have at least the same guarantee as new products. Sometimes remanufactured products will have more than that of new product, because by having the same guarantee as new product, it allows us to say that remanufactured products are of the same quality, because producers are held to account based on the guarantee they give their products. So if remanufactured products have the same guarantee as new products, customers understand what remanufacturing is, they will buy it. The other thing is that customers generally tend to be a bit resistant to buy personal items remanufactured. For example, remanufactured trousers. It's not very popular, but remanufactured meters, that's popular because it's not personal and there's no emotional attachment to it.
I think so.